Ah! Gotcha. So, for today's EP we're listening to is Nick. Big artist on the lab. Beautiful voice on the lab. And his EP, Nick and the Rowdy Triplets. Can y'all shut up? I have no idea what this is going to be like. I'm excited. I'm hyped. I don't think it's going to be crazy enough to break the chair. Again, it's already broken. Like, one sec. I just broke this part off real quick. This chair is ultimately cooked. I might fall through any time during the video. But let's get started on it. First song, Kiss Me Tonight. Kiss me tonight.
While we're alone, we should go back to my place. If not, it'd be wrong. It'd be a waste for me to see you tonight and not get your face. Stressing all the way, keep moving like you want someone tonight. Now you know that love improvements. I need to see you tonight. Yeah. Girl, you know. Stay by your side, be there in the morning if you kiss me tonight. If someone was told me if timing is right, then I should just don't go for it. You know I'm listening, don't let the lovers sit. Tell me, do you wanna fall in love? Ooh, I just hope that we can get a chance. If you want, then I could lift you up. Get out my calendar, thinking about our plans. Take two, baby, I wanna do over. You look cool, girl, would you wanna come over? Almost the end of school, but you still wanna get closer. I'm down, take two, let's do a do-over. Tell me why, yeah, tell me why the highs. I'm so sick of all you talking, the way you talk, where you are, wondering what causes it. Keep moving like you want someone tonight. Now you know that love improvement.
Beats crazy.
I need to see it tonight. Yeah. Cause girl, you know.
Oh my god.
Stay by your side, be there in the morning if you kiss me tonight. If someone was told me if timing is right, then I should just go for it. You know I'm listening, don't like the lovers say.
Don't call me fat. I'm hungry. I love that. I can already tell this is going to be an EP that I'm going to rate, like, really high. Like, that's my favorite type of music to listen to, is just, like, R&B pop, like, react to. I love that. Like, Cousin's album, Daryl's album. Just, like, singing, bro. Bless me. Serenade me. Next song, making a scene.
Will you know this? You wanna think about
That schmutz reminds me of like, shoot, back. That schmutz reminds me of Michael Jackson. No Diddy. Michael Jackson and the Weeknd vibes right there. You were hitting some notes that I didn't think my ears could ever hear. Next song, Power with Megan Hutchins. I don't know who that is, but we're about to find out. We got the talk box. Get me on that talk box, bro.
I've been walking around for hours, telling you to get this power to control every little thing, to control everybody you bring. You say we got plans, kinda wanna stay in tonight. Don't wanna see you bend, just wanna stay in tonight. But you wave your hand, and don't hold no man. What have you done? Just wanting to stay in tonight. I'm seized like that, step on my head. Don't know what I have, why do I feel so bad? Music in the car, I don't remember learning the words. You said we'll go far, how can you be so sure? And she said, you know I got this right, don't get in the car tonight. Stay a little longer, let me change your mind. Heavy on your thoughts tonight, it's okay, you're doing just fine. You know I know what I'm doing, but baby oh my, maybe we should test these feelings tonight. Hope I can come up with a reason. Not trying to be stupid, but this is intriguing. I say I'd rather be sleeping. They'll keep me up. Boy, you know you're not leaving. Girl, I know. Better not go be sneaking. I won't, girl, no, I won't. I might have, but come in. I'm here pleading, what's my plan? How am I gonna do this? Do everything for my little girl. Oh, she's my whole world. I would never leave her. I even wanna be her. They ask how you last so long, but from your mind the start is gone. I asked, babe, why don't I remember? And she said, you know I got this right, don't get in the car tonight. Stay a little longer, let me change your mind. Heavy on your thoughts tonight, it's okay, you're doing just fine. You know I know what I'm doing, but baby you know I got this right, don't get in the car tonight. Stay a little longer, let me change your mind. Heavy on your thoughts tonight, it's okay, you're doing just fine. You know I know what I'm doing, but baby
Wow. Didn't know we were making professional music on the lab. That sounded so professional. Wow.
let's go.
Like you do. Get your go.
They can't do it like you do. Come on out and show me what you do. Oh baby, begging you. Let me get the door for you. I'm bringing you flowers, kissing the photo booth. I'll pick you up in the dead of night, whenever just anytime. I'll go as far as you want, just down your driveway. Be there in 5. It's been a long day, can't wait to see you tonight. I turn around and see what you have stop calling my phone because it's late. I know my dick will put you MIA. When you take a flick, it's all in the same place. I wanna see you naked, shawty. Hate how my bed's so vacant, shawty. You got a chance to take it, shawty. I took the hotel to make it, shawty. Oh, no one's like you, girl. You really changed my world. Okay, you left me at your room with no trace. I needed space. Fade me back to your face.
I turn around and see what you have done. Let's stay together, we're better as one. I flew with you to win and not to lose. No one else can do it like you do. What you have done. Let's stay together, we're better as one. I turn around and see what you have done. Like you do.
We can't be serious right now.
Like you do. Let me see you shake. Do it like you do it, like you do. Okay, damn, can't nobody do it like you do, baby. Let's go, like you do, baby.
I turn around and see what you have done. Let's stay together, we're better as one. I play with you to win and not to lose. No one else can do it like you do.
Nobody do it like you. Oh, nobody do it like you.
It's like one of the best songs I've ever heard in my entire life. Next song, Magic.
She's making money in this room.
Yeah, baby, that's magic. You got it, you have it. Now, girl, you're getting nostalgic. You want it, you want it. You gotta go get it. I know you like when I hit that. First place in this competition. You're the hero, I'll be the villain. You're magic, you're magic. Girl, wanna go for a spin? Cause you're 10 out of 10. Baby girl, I know where you been. It's magic, it's magic. DJ set the fire. I call you on the line. We stay like all the time. Yeah, I'll chase you down. I know you're around. You're a queen, wears a crown. I know you're around. Boogie down, girl. If you want it, you got it. Boogie down. Look around you. It's magic. It's magic.
She's making money in this room.
Yeah, baby, that's magic. You got it, you have it. Now, girl, you're getting nostalgic. You want it, you want it. You gotta go get it. I know you like when I hit that. First place in this competition. You're the hero, I'll be the villain. You're magic, you're magic. You looking lonely, I think that you need somebody. I can put you in first class, babe. There ain't nobody that I know like me. So just come my way and enjoy the moment. So who knows where this is going?
She's making money in this room.
We like to love it. Back then you got me focused. There's nothing I don't notice. I know where this is going. You looking lonely, I think that you need somebody. I can put you in first class, babe. There ain't nobody that do it like me.
She's making money in this room.
Yeah, baby, that's magic. You got it, you have it. Now girl, you're getting nostalgic. You want it, you want it. You gotta go get it. I know you like when I hit that. First place in this competition. If you're here, I'll be the villain. Use your magic, your magic. Use your magic, your magic.
Oh my god. That be good. 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 So far, none of the features I've missed. That's very good. Seaside feature. Juni.
See a perfect face. Oh, nothing is blocking. And baby, let's rock it. Rock it with me. Oh, babe, you see a perfect paradise. Us near the seaside. Give to your friends. Be with your man. I'll give you everything tonight. Tonight, tonight. I'm hanging on your every word. Don't go say
This EP can turn a bad day into a good day. She just wanna dance. Who's producing this stuff? And if you're producing yourself, good job.
Tell me what you wanna hear. I'll make you hear that instead of taking it for granted. You wanna tell your leash, don't forget it. Don't say you want no one else. You got your point across. So tell me where you want it. Don't go acting soft. Wanna meet me in the motel. You got me wondering. Been seasons, but what the hell? What we could be doing? I know you just wanna party. Don't go saying sorry. Know that you wouldn't mean it.
Rock
I don't believe it. She just wanna take All the fun, oh you know you look perfect. Going home, no it ain't gonna be worth it. I'm twisted and turning, my whole body's burning. And for you I'm yearning, a boy and a woman, let's do it. Mature, don't want it, then I'll lose it. To the first to New York, just say the word. I'm a love crazy, my baby, you're not now. Now you're invading, be shady now, love. I'm just trying to be reasonable, but now I'm calling blue. You're trying to hide a boy, you move close. Baby, it's just me and you. I know what you're trying to do. She just wanna dance. She ain't wasting time on reckless romances. She just wanna dance. Somebody see me going crazy, I'm in a trance. I'm a fool, now you know you look perfect. Going home, no it ain't gonna be worth it. I'm twisted and turning, my whole body's burning. And for you I'm yearning.
So that made me hit the two-step. Disco Girl, let's go. Hello? There we go. These are like prime Weeknd beats. Actually, no, not prime Weeknd, but good beats.
Wash away, but I can't want you to stay. Girl, I'm addicted, you have the taste, I can't hate it. Ooh, I swear I'm wanted, how much you're perfect. And all my friends telling me it ain't worth it, but they don't know you like I know. I wish they knew the real you. Disco for fanatic, can you feel the static when it's me and you touching? Girl, you look fantastic.
The volume could be turned up a little bit on your vocals on this one. But then again, I'm not doing what you're doing, so you don't have to listen to me.
We like to light it, there's no need for us to rush it. Blunts at the bar, get caught in, got it as Disney car. But don't really care, 'cause I see you there, I see you there waiting for me. DJ, turn up the bass, I lost us today and I just in a hurry. Oh, you've got me in a trance. Oh, I love to see you again. Disco for fanatic, can you feel the static when it's me and you touching? Girl, you look fantastic, moving like a light. There's no need for us to rush it.
Okay. Got you again. You guys are fucking stupid. Alright, this EP, absolutely beautiful. Go check out Nick, dude. He's like, I wish I could sing like that. Wish I could sing like that. My music would be 10 times better. I'd be someone more versatile. But right now, I just sound like a chud. So, yeah. Yeah, dude. 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10, 16 out of 10, 6 out of 7. Dude, this is peak Nick. Picnic. Alright, I'm gonna fucking stop. Alright, also, I'm getting spammed with, like, requests for, reactions, like, people constantly asking me. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill this out. This is gonna be up. I'm gonna put this link out every once in a while, and I think right now, we're gonna be reacting to, like, 20 of these. Not all of them, but, like, 20. And then we'll have another video reacting to the ones we didn't react to. So, if you haven't submitted a song, submit a song. But if you already had, wait till I send out another thing and we'll restart. Okay? That's what we're going to do. That video is going to be out soon too as well, so we can get through everybody and make everybody happy so they're not breathing down my ass. Alright. W video, like, subscribe, please, like, I swear to God, there's, like, I'm getting, like, over hundreds of views on these videos, and I only get, like, 8 likes. What is wrong with you guys? Like, actually. That's messed up. Thank you. Goodbye. I love you. I don't love you. I don't know you.